Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful mosaic jars and bottles. Now you can embellish these jars and bottles with anything. Keys, broken china, broken jewelry pieces, buttons, you name it. I'm even going to embellish mine with some molded pieces using my SureBonder glue gun and silicone molds. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some mosaic jars and bottles. I love using the big molded hot glue pieces because they make a great focal point and can be painted any color you want. I experimented with several brands of grout, cement, and epoxy putties and found this to be the easiest and the most efficient. This project is a take on memory jugs, which is an American folk art that memorializes people who have passed, using their small belongings to adorn a vessel. At first I was going to use an old jug or a vase, but I thought these would be more interesting as storage containers. Because of my work, I have tons of doodads, but don't fret, use things like broken china, keys, old jewelry, small stones, and bottle caps. Seashells are good too. These are things that are easy to find, and I'll bet you have most of it already. I'm going to leave a link to SureBonder and everything I used for this project, including all the molds that I used. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.